Finally, y'all, we are looking at Ayrton Senna, the ultimate legend, one of the best drivers of all time in any racing series ever, okay? The legend. Qualifying lap at Monaco. Now, I need to learn a lot more about Monaco. It seems really enticing, trust me. And, of course, this is a city circuit. Totally crazy. I can't believe they even do stuff like this. Seems really dangerous, but really cool at the same time. Exciting for a spectator, that's for sure. And I have had about, I don't know, like 200 or 300 people, I think, suggest looking at Ayrton Senna qualifying laps at Monaco. And I believe people said like 89, 90. I've heard like different suggestions. But this is around that era. And I do know from learning from you guys and just, over the years hearing about stuff, I believe this was like a really high horsepower era, correct? I believe he was driving a like Honda, McLaren type deal. And forgive me, I'm still learning, guys. I'm trying to get these right. And I think it was like turbocharged and really powerful, especially during qualifying, from what I understand. So sounds like a formula for a crazy lap, if you ask me. But you know what? When you're at the hands of Ayrton Senna, you're in good hands, right? I mean, the guy is an absolute alien behind the wheel. Like, it doesn't make sense how good he is. So let's just look, shall we? Let's let the lap do the talking. And can't wait to hear your thoughts down below. Here we go. I wish there wasn't music, by the way, but hopefully this goes up on YouTube and doesn't get copyrighted or something. But let me just restart it. Wish, I could find without music. But either way, we can still hear the engine. And let's watch the man go to work. Absolutely crazy right off the bat. Beautiful looking place. But at that speed, a little scary. Oh my God. That how do you even learn that track? Holy smokes, he got it loose. He knows what he's doing now. That's the funny thing. Oh my God, there's so many crazy awkward turns. And you go through that dark tunnel. That is legit dark. You see the movement in the wheel is crazy. Is he shifting, like, for real? No paddle shifters here. This is 89 or 90. I think he's using a real shifter with the hand, obviously, not some paddle shift deal. Everything's crazy about it. This car is fast, but obviously looks like it's, on the edge of control as well. I don't know how he's doing this. And it's not like a regular track. Look at it. It's tight and twisty and awkward. How is he turning like this and not spinning out or not clipping the wall hard? Look at this guy. Get out of his way. He does. Pass him. Whatever. I don't know how he knows how to take these turns like this. Some of them... Okay, so forgive that pause there. The video just ended abruptly. So yeah, I didn't realize this is a short video, but let's just talk about this for a second. I only need a minute. This is a minute video. I only need a minute to see how absolutely nuts this is. The man is extremely talented, one of the best drivers of all time. I just still can't believe we lost him way too early. Total shame. It's just horrible. Wow. Like, can I just talk about how, to me, that looks like a nightmare. Like, that track would take so long to master, if you even ever master it. And you're in a crazy fast car that, let's be real, is an amazing machine, but can also make you pay for your mistakes real quick. I mean, the thing handles great, and it's got a lot of power, but at the same time, it's got so much power that, you could just lose control of this thing like this, and you're done. There's no room for error here. It's got a lot of weird angles, a lot of weird turns, and then turns like roped together. Not a lot of like straightaways, right? You're kind of always doing something. And a lot of hairpins, a lot of S turns, and you got barriers everywhere. I mean, geez, super technical track. I mean, awesome, because like I said, Monaco looks awesome, but geez, does this look difficult. And he is just flying through here. Like, how is he that focused and that dialed in? It's just pure talent. It's like something you can't write, you can't teach. Wow. The speed of this is just unreal. And this was, 35, 40 years ago almost? Like, that's insane. It's totally insane. This was a good suggestion by a lot of you. And if you would like me to look at more like this, I love seeing hot laps. I love seeing record laps, things like this. because something like this just totally speaks for itself. As someone who, has never seen this particular lap, I can just instantly see, wow, this is something monumental, right? Absolutely crazy. I don't know how he keeps control of that. Passes the other guy like he's standing still once he gets an opening, right? For example, and I'm sure he set the best lap here, or one of the best. I mean, wow, that is like a man on a mission, and I don't know how he's got that car dialed in and not hitting these walls and spinning out. I mean, he got the ass end out a couple times, but he's always got it under control. He makes it look easy. I don't know how he does it. You see the movement on the wheel is outrageous. Like the corrections he has to make, and of course, I think he's shifting. I don't know if it's like a sequential shifter or a true H pattern shifter. That'd be like totally bonkers if that was true. But either way, it's a little more work than, straight up paddles on the wheel like we have nowadays. So, I mean, props, major, major props. This is absolutely unreal. And Ayrton Senna, wow, what a legend. So make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Give this one a like because it will help the video out. And I really would appreciate that. Of course, this will be linked down in the description below. I think I said that at the beginning. If I failed to, I apologize. This is from San S, and you can watch the whole thing uninterrupted with that link down there. Also, leave your suggestions down in the comments and your thoughts. I would love to hear them. Subscribe to this amazing community we have here if you haven't already. We're on our way to 100K. I really would appreciate that. And but in closing, y'all, my name is Ian. You're watching IWrocker, and until next time, catch you later.